It looks like we're recording. What's going on, guys? It's NanoPack again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And we got another unboxing today. I mean, this is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. And this is exactly what we're talking about. See, we are flipping and flopping. I just did the unboxing on the Z Fold 3. And now we're doing the unboxing on the Z Flip 3. So, I've never tried the Z Flip 3 before. I'm actually new to this whole fold flip style that Samsung is bringing out right now. And I'm excited. I'm excited because this is the third iteration of the Z Flip 3. We're on the third iteration of the Z Fold 3. And yeah, I mean, the technology is improving. How fast is it improving for the cost that they're charging? That's up for us to decide. That's up for you to decide. Now, what I can tell you as this device, the Z Flip 3, actually retails for $999 US. Okay, that's huge. That's a big price point to hit and to match because it's technically $1,000 device. It's less than what it's been in the past. And when you start to introduce these kinds of features and functionalities into a price point that psychologically attracts buyers, not to say that $1,000 is cheap, because it's not. And the Z Fold 3 is $1,799 US. When you start to look at that and you start to focus and think of that price point, you start to think, okay, maybe that device and maybe the kind of features that it brings to the table is worth it. So, enough rambling. I'm just going to unbox it, talk about my impressions of it, how it looks, how it feels in the hand, ladies. You know the procedure, as Flossie Carter would say. Let me know in the comment section below, is this a device that intrigues you? Is this a device that you're excited about? Because quite frankly, I'm kind of intrigued by it. You know, I just bought, like I said, and unboxed the Z Fold 3, but this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to take a traditional form factor for smartphones that we're used to, right? It's going to take a traditional form factor and it's going to go ahead and make it slightly more pocketable, right? So, and by the way, guys, this is the dark green, black two-tone finish. So, let's put that aside real quick. Let's look at what's inside the box. Nothing. Maybe this is how Samsung is cutting the cost, but just like the Z Fold 3, we're not getting a charging brick. Doesn't look like we're getting a charging cable, and we're getting the usual literature. That's it, right? So I'm okay with that. If that means that the price point is going to drop, I'm fine with that. Are you fine with that? I'm okay with that. Yeah, it does suck to go out and buy another charging brick, but guys, girls, if we're spending the money we're spending, usually we've already got external, third-party, extra charging bricks laying around. It is what it is. So let's go ahead and peel this off real quick. Ooh. Ooh. This looks and feels good. Oh no, man. All right. So right off the cuff, I can tell you that I don't like where the power button is. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that power button right there is a little too high for my liking, and therefore so is the volume rocker up here, right? Because my hand is kind of naturally falling on the hinge down here, so I'm gonna have to readjust and come up here and do one of these. And I don't know. I mean, I'm sure I'll get used to it, but I don't know. It is slippery. Flat sides, dope. That's where you're going to get your SIM card tray up there. Down here, you're going to get your usual charge port, speaker, microphones. Up top, microphone. To the right, power button, doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and you're going to have your volume rocker. Left hand side, we already went over that. Let's go ahead and fold this real quick. Okay, so You fold it. And yeah, I mean, and yeah, once you fold it, that's the charm. I mean, check it out. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get a small form factor. And then when you're ready to open it into something larger, boom, look at all that extra real estate. So guys, I get what they're trying to do. I get who this is for. It's just hard, right? Look, let me show you guys real quick. I mean, mind you, I have a speaking case, but here is the Z Fold 3. Here is the Z Flip. Basically, same size. Much narrow screen on this. There you go. Then on this. Now, what I can tell you is you're not going to have all of that extra functionality that you were used to and thinking you were going to get with the Fold. Because this phone right here, when folded, does hold multiple hinge positions, which is pretty dope, right? So you can prop it up, move it, lay it flat, or shut it. And then right here in the front, you're gonna have a new and improved screen. Now you can actually engage with that screen. You could actually do things with that screen that you're used to not doing. You know, check your messages, phone calls, maybe some quick replies and such. So that's not going to be your primary form of input or method of input as you are on the Z Fold 3, and that's fine. But you do have some functionality that we haven't seen in previous iterations. And when you're ready to use this phone, you're going to open this thing up and you're going to get down to business. So, do you like this form factor? Do you prefer your standard form factor? And what I mean by that is just a slab, all right, what we're used to. Now, I know that phones, or smartphones in particular for the price point, are getting stale. A lot of techies out there, a lot of geeks, a lot of nerds, we're gonna say yes, we're used to innovation, we want innovation. Your average consumer, I don't think that they're annoyed or bored of their iPhone at all right? The Flip isn't here to solve bored iPhone fans and what they want. Those iPhone fans are most likely always going to stay iPhone fans. They're committed. The Flip is here to provide another form factor, another way to engage with your smartphone, and I like this. I like this a lot. Now, of course, I'm not going to compare this to the Z Flip 3 right now. They did come out at the same time, but what I can tell you is, right now, holding it in my hand and actually flipping it open, I like it. So let me know in the comment section below if you plan on getting one, if you are thinking about getting one, why did you get one? Why did you skip on it? Are you a Fold fan or a Flip fan, or are you just a fan of smartphones and tech in general? Or is the old tried and true boring slab of glass and metal enough for you? All right, let me know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for obvious reviews on this, on the Z Fold 3, comparing it with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro, whatever they come out next. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. And like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, adios, and more importantly, let's stay geeky, because that's what this is all about. Catch you guys in the next video.